Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto platform, which is Revolut. To help you decide the key important thing to know about this crypto platform, which is Revolut. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Revolut makes crypto trading simple by letting you buy, sell, hold digital coins directly in the app. No separate exchange needed. It's fast, beginner friendly, and it also integrates smoothly with your regular banking. You can also get access to over 200 coins and can automatically recurring buys. However, Revolut is still a custodian platform, meaning you don't fully own your crypto, and withdrawal options are limited depending on your region. So in conclusion, my own conclusion, Revolut is great for casual traders who want convenience and the simplicity, but not ideal for those who want full control or low trading spread. It's easy to use, but if you value self-custody or advanced tools, a dedicated crypto exchange might suit you better. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.